Hello everyone, we are team Cantin Squad and today we are going to demonstrate how we use the Orchestra platform to solve one of the issues that most of the working professionals face in terms of job applications and targeted job applications. So we are designing this product in order to automate the process of job applications and resume refinement. So we have configured Gemini and Olama as the LLMs, and Gemini seems to work better. And let's move on to the MCP registry. We have these 4 MCPs that we are using: the Playwright, Resume Fit Scoring, Jobs MCP, and Resume MCP. As the name suggests, they help in each category: jobs, resume, and resume fitting score. And let's move on to the agents that we have configured. We have all these agents. I'll move on. We are using n8n to automate the process. We are using an agent-to-agent system in which the automation calls each agent step by step. And so I'll discuss more about this the agents in the n8n workflow. So let's move on to the n8n workflow. So we have a schedule trigger. So this runs every 1 hour and this gets the job listings. The job listing would include the job company name, job title, and the job description. And this is a list of jobs and it fetches from many sources like Indeed, LinkedIn, Naukri, etc. And then we are, first of all, this is piped into 2 jobs. This job listing 1, this will modify the job and send it, modify the output and send it to the user so that they can view the job listings. So here you see, after I did start, based on the input provided, these are the job lists that have come to us. So small case, PwC India and ShopTech. So the user can choose to generate a resume for all of this and rank it. So yeah, let's move on to the n8n. After the generate message is sent, this telegram trigger is run, which will go into an if block, and if the message matches a certain condition, we go to the chat memory manager. This chat memory manager fetches the job listings from the job listings store. So when the job listings are generated, they are stored in the simple memory, and when this trigger comes here, eventually it fetches those job listings, so that we this flow can generate resumes and score the resume against those job listings. So this, I'll show you an example of the job listings. So here, so this is kind of the response that you would get from job listing. It is a long list of it is a JSON list which includes job descriptions and job title and the company name as the key. So we store this in the store, and then we call this this agent resume suggestions. So all these purple kind of blocks are agents which are hosted on our Orchestra platform. So we are using Orchestra as an LLM gateway and MCP registry. So yep. So in this, the resume suggestions, it will read the resume that you have provided. The details of where to find the resume for the current user will be configured in the Orchestra platform, and then this is sent to the resume generator. Resume suggestions are generated from those and comparing it to the jobs, and the resume generator generates a resume. So you would find when the resume is generated, you will find a URL where the resume is hosted. So currently this hosting of the resume will stay till 5 minutes or something, and it is usually in the in the repository. So it would generate something like this, and when you eventually view it in desktop environment, you would see it generated, and this is optimized for those job listings that we had generated. And eventually this resume generator will call the jobs fitting score. So this agent will score the jobs, score your resume against the different jobs, and this will in turn reply to the reply back to you. So here you can see the generated resumes are matching 92.89% to small case, which was one of the job listings, and similar for the other jobs. And you can choose this information and go and apply. And this is the progress that we have made. We could make a lot of changes to this. We could add a lot more features, but within the time constraint, we were able to do only this much. And hope this helps some people. And thank you.